interrupted there, that's okay. So moving onwards. This is essentially what we did. B is -2, C is -8. So let's write them out. So C is -8, B is -2, right? So let's S and T. So what multiplies to -8? We talked about it. 1 times -8, -1 times 8, 2 times -4, -2 times 4. And I want them to add to -2. Well, this adds to -7. That adds to 7. This adds to -2, and that's to 2. So what we wanted was this guy. Therefore, we get S is 2, and T is -4. So therefore, it's x plus 2 times x minus 4. Again, same thing, just different ways of looking at it. All right. Finally, over here, I want you guys to do this one by yourself. Okay? You do. See if you can figure it out. We'll do it in class as well. We'll check up on it. I will do this one algebraically though. So B is -7, C is 12, and then so again C is -7, B is 12. What are the factors of? Oh, excuse me, I wrote this backwards. C is 12, B is -7. So factors of 12, 1 times 12. What else? -1 times 12, -12. What else? 3 times 4. -3 times -4. What else? 6 times 2. -6 times -2. Are we done? We may be done. Okay, so I want them, well, let's add them up. This is 13, -13, 7, -7, 8, -8. What do I want? I want -7, so that's what I want. So S is -3, T is -4, and this factors then to what? X minus 3, X minus 4. Okay? In the same sense over here, we're going to build this out. So we'll do this in class. But the second method, okay, you guys should really practice this. Okay, we'll also do this one in class. Okay. For the classwork here, you want to factor these completely. Okay, so what does it say? Completely means you always check to take out the GCF first. So if you notice here, 3 times x times x times x times x minus 3 times 6 times x times x times x minus 3 times, what is that, 16 times x times x. If you can see here, they all have a 3. They have a 3. They have 2 x's in common. So the GCF is going to be 3x times x, which is 3x squared. So we put in 3x squared, and we write what's left over. The first one is x squared minus 6x minus 16. And now you all have to factor this one based on the other methods that we just did. Okay? For B, note it kind of looks like what we're used to, but it's okay. You can just move things around. That's totally fine. Okay? And then you factor this one in the same way that we've been doing. Okay? And the same thing with C. Okay? You guys can finish these off over here. They're not too bad. All right. Continuing to factor. So this you want to do, notice over here they're opposites. You want to change one of the signs. So this is going to be x times 3 minus 5y minus 7 times -1 times 3 minus 5y. I use that trick where I switch them with the negative, and then you finish it. It's E. E and F we'll leave for class time. You want to work on those. Okay, and I think that should do us good for now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and continue the rest of this later on, but the main idea is you want to practice and do all of those examples. Okay, happy Thanksgiving.